Hey Ray, it's Tommy DiDario here, and I am bringing you into my kitchen to show you the ultimate lazy recipe. That's right, even I need to cut some corners and make something super simple every once in a while, and you know I love my healthy treats. Well, today, I am going to show you my vegan maple vanilla oats. It's overnight oats, and the best part is you don't need a stove, you don't need an oven. Say goodbye to that behind me, you don't need it. All you need is yourself and your refrigerator, and you are good to go. Okay, first step, grab your almond milk. Throw it right in your mason jar. Next, we're gonna add some chia seeds, great for your brain health. Then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And this might be my favorite ingredient, 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Now you can use creamy, you can use crunchy, it really doesn't matter, just grab your favorite one. And if you wanna sub it for your favorite nut butter, that's fine too. Okay, and then a dash of pumpkin spice. I don't care what time of year it is, I love pumpkin, and I'm always gonna add some pumpkin spice to the recipe. Now mix that up. And the almond butter, it doesn't have to be super blended. It can be streaky, it can be clumpy, it can be in one area of the cup. It doesn't matter, just kind of get it all together. And the final step, our oats. So dump that right in. And this is half a cup. And now we mix. I want you to notice the oats are completely covered and immersed in the liquid. That's what you want, because the point of overnight oats is when we put them in the fridge, you want everything to get really soft and really, really nice so that when you eat it, it's not chewy, it's not tough. So you get that all blended up. All right, that looks properly mixed, and now we're just gonna cover the top. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator a minimum of 6 hours, so that's why before you go to bed, throw it in and you wake up, it'll be ready in no time. All right, good morning. The oats should finally be ready. Let's go check them out. You ready for the big reveal? There we go. And if you notice, they're all nicely stuck together. That's what you want. If there's separation, you didn't put enough liquid in them. So you want like this big mass, and then we're gonna stir that up to make sure everything's really blended. And now you can have some fun. You can add whatever toppings you want. Some people like granola. I prefer fresh fruit like berries, or today we're gonna do a banana on top. There you go. You're done. I mean, it couldn't be easier. You have your meal in a jar, you eat it, you wash it, you make it again, and that's it.